Hi children, today I'm going to show you different kinds of leaves. Can you all tell me, have you all seen different types of leaves? Yes, you all have. Some are big, some are small, and even the colors. Is it the same color? No. See, look at this leaf here. It's very tiny and long, and it is light green. And look at this leaf. See, it's also small but not really like this one. Look at it. See how it is being formed in a stem. Okay. Look at this leaf here. Can you see? It's very big and it's a, what does it look like? A horse's face. No? And what else? Come. What is this leaf? Look, it's long. And when you touch it, it's like velvet. It's really nice. Look at the color, see? It has a shade, no? Look at this leaf. The veins and everything is so visible. It's really nice. It's green. And look at this leaf, children. See, it's long. It's very long. Look at it. You all must have seen leaves like this before, no? And look at this. Can you see? Can you see this? And here, look at this leaf. See, it's not green. Look at it. It's like purple. It's tiny. It's tiny. And look at this. Some leaves are light green, and some leaves are dark green. And look at this. There are different shapes of leaves, children. And look at the leaves which are here. Look at it. And look at this leaf. Thank you, children.